Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome to Tea Time Tuesday. If you are new here, I will link the playlist up in the right hand corner here so you can come check it out and get caught up with us. What it is I'm doing a cute little junk journal here that is made out of tea fabrics for the cover and stuff, and then we put some tea bags in here for the pages. So we're having fun decorating it, and each week on Tuesday I do a page with you, or sometimes a whole fold out, but today I want to work on just the side of the page and make a fun collage with you guys with tea bags, like tea bags and some tea toppers here, and just work on a fun little collage over here. So what I have is my Scotch Create glue stick. I got some tea toppers here that hang off the end of the tea bags. We incorporate those. I got one that's tea dyed here. And I got the tea wrappers that the bags come in. And we'll see what fun we can have with it. So I hope you guys have your tea out and getting cozied up and getting out your little tea journals and seeing what we could do today. All right. Hope you're having a crafty day today, for sure. It is a beautiful day here in Oregon. We're definitely going to be doing some swim weather hopefully soon to get some swimming in. We're going to be 80s, mid 80s today, and then tomorrow is our heat wave. We got like 90 something coming. So yeah, we're getting the air conditioners in the windows and getting the pool ready, and geez, I'd like to hear what your guys' weather is and where you guys are at right now. That would be fun. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I know I want to keep this butterfly, so I want to keep one of the butterflies. So I'm just going to do, I'll do this in a time lapse real quick. I'm just going to fussy cut it out and just keep one of the butterflies here. All right, so I went ahead and got that all fussy cut out. And I think this is cute on the back. You could do something like that. Do like a silhouette. We'll see. Okay. So now what I want to do is just kind of start ripping some stuff up and seeing where we're at here. So I'm just getting some stuff ripped out. Just some fun collage things to play with. I think that's cute. Take this moment just for you. So maybe we can incorporate that. I'm just kind of ripping pieces out. I think it'd be fun to have just pieces of the butterfly in the background. So this is just something loose and fun and free to do here, and just, you know, fairly cheap to do. And it's just kind of fun because it's tea, so why not incorporate some tea stuff in it, you know? I think I'm going to go ahead and I'll pop that off of here. And let's just do some ripping. Okay. So there we go. So we got some fun little collage things to play with. And you can use whatever you want. But I'm just going to take my glue stick here and just start gluing down things. I just wanted to make a fun little quick video for you guys on Tea Time Tuesday, where you're sipping your tea and seeing the fun things we could do here. There's no real rhyme or reason for it. Just gives it a nice little decorative background. Get a piece of plastic on there. Now that piece of plastic will be stuck on my finger. Okay. So I'm just taking little bits here. All right, so in these cases, when you're using a glue stick and stuff, it's nice to have a little wet wipe or baby wipe or something, just to kind of wipe your hands off so everything doesn't stick to it. Okay, so I went ahead and just did all that. Just collaged down some fun things here. Tea bag related. And now, let's see. Now for this, I want it to stand out some more. So let's take our vintage photo. I'm just gonna ink around it here. Just so it stands out from the yellow background a little bit. Get it all grunged up. You can even take it and bend it a little bit and go like this. Just make it look more vintage. I'm just rubbing it along the edge there. There we go. All right. So we got that. I don't think it'll show up around this, but okay. So let's see. So you can place it here. And then go like that. Maybe like that. Well, that might be kind of cool, huh? Okay. So make sure just to keep all your tea stuff, and you never know what you can make with it. Okay, I'm gonna do that with that. So there we go. Okay. All right, so I was looking through my little stencils here because I want to do a fun little thing with you guys real quick. And I got these off Amazon, and there's 100 pieces, and they're just little 2 by 2 inch little stencils, and they're great. I love them. They're great for all the little work that I do here. And I will put the link, if you guys are interested, the Amazon link for them up here in the right-hand corner. Come check them out. And yeah, they're really fun to play with. Okay, so I found 2 here. I went through them all. Put these to the side. Okay. And what I want to do is, I got my art glitter glue, because I like to use that on paper here. And I got a little tag topper to the tea bag, the one that I tea dyed. And I want to put that in the corner here for a corner tuck. So let's get that down first. Okay, so I'm just going to put glue on this side, just 2 sides here, and that side, like that. So you just want it on the corner is where you want the glue. Pop that down. Okay. And then I got this cute little tag that I've tea dyed. And they're just little tags that I got at the store. Okay. And what I want to do now is stencil. Let's do a little bit of, and I got my vintage photo that I'm using. My dauber. And let's see, I want to put a bumblebee on it. I'm trying to see how it would fit. I think a cute little bumblebee, and then maybe try to fit a flower. Here, maybe I'll go up with the bumblebee. I'm trying to get it all on there, because I don't know if I'll be able to fit a flower, but let's see. So that's why these stencils are great for small work here. Yeah, so I've had people ask me where I got these, so I figured I'd put the link for you guys. And yeah. So there we go. I think that's so fun. We got a little bee, and I just wanted to do like a flower patch. So just some little background. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Never has to be perfect. Just fun. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness, is that fun? Look at that little guy. Okay, and this is where wet wipe comes in. I will go ahead and do the other side and get it decorated real quick. All right, so that's how that one turned out, which is super cute. So I just got some little flowers and then the butterfly. And then there's our other side. So those are fun. And I'm just gonna slide it into our little side tuck here, little corner pocket. And there we go. And we got ourselves a finished mini little tea journal page. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.